I'll be showing you how to make 2 types of immune-boosting fire cider. I'll be referencing this book, Fire Cider, 101 Zesty Recipes for Health-Boosting Remedies Made with Apple Cider Vinegar. It's written by Rosemary Gladstar and friends and is available in the Mother Earth News Store. It has a variety of recipes as well as a history and background on the origination of this beverage. Of course, there are many supplements on the market that you can add to your diet, but if you're mindful about the use of food as a medicine, the things you consume can strengthen your immune system and help to ward off sickness. To keep your immune system functioning at an optimal level, healthy nutritional choices and a balanced lifestyle are very important. Some things you can do to strengthen your body's immunity are: work to minimize stress, get plenty of consistently timed sleep, focus on proper hygiene and wash hands often, maintain a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet consisting of plenty of whole fruits and vegetables. Malnutrition can weaken immune function, so a diet rich in nutrients is imperative. Consume pro and prebiotics to boost the good bacteria in your gut. Stay physically active with regular exercise. Avoid simple sugar-rich foods and beverages which have been proven to reduce immune function. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Alcohol can weaken your immune system and cause you to be more susceptible to illnesses. And don't smoke. Smoking is known to compromise the immune system balance and increases the risk of several immune and autoimmune disorders. Fire cider can be taken as a shot or diluted in water and tomato juice, or added to soups or dishes. It's a cider vinegar base combined with common kitchen ingredients to create an elixir that boosts the immune system and, if taken daily, can ward off flus and colds. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a home remedy for many years. Studies have found that it helps the body to balance blood sugar levels, fight infection, and aid in weight loss. Some other common uses include treatment of leg cramps, stuffy nose, sore throat, upset stomach, fevers, exhaustion, sunburn, fungal infections, and heartburn. Apple cider vinegar also makes a very effective hair rinse and will boost body and shine. Apple cider vinegar is not a cure-all for every situation. It can irritate stomach ulcers, it may elevate heartburn or stomach irritation, or negatively impact yeast growth. It can also be damaging to teeth enamel if consumed undiluted. So pay close attention to your body and symptoms and discontinue use if necessary. When shopping for apple cider vinegar, raw or unpasteurized will yield the most health and healing benefits. There is a recipe in this book to make your own, or you can purchase it at many farmers markets. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a grocery store variety of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with Mother. The first recipe I'm going to prepare is called an Apple Ginger Snap Swizzle by Jennifer Prentiss. Swizzles were a popular summer drink in the New England colonies in the 17th century. It's delicious either warm or cold. For this recipe you will need filtered water, ginger root, cinnamon sticks, raw honey, apple cider vinegar, a lemon, and a dash of nutmeg. To begin, I will combine the water, ginger, and cinnamon sticks in a pan. Ginger, cinnamon sticks. I'm going to bring the mixture to a boil and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. Ginger has been shown to reduce inflammation, and cinnamon reduces blood pressure, lowers blood sugar, relieves digestive issues, and contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation, and it also has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. We're just going to let this mixture get boiling for a moment and check back on it. I allowed the mixture to cool for 10 minutes, and then I put it through a strainer into the glass jar, and I'll press to extract any of the extra liquid. Next, I'll add raw wildflower honey. Honey is a great source of antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. It helps with digestive issues and is a phytonutrient powerhouse. It's also great for soothing sore throats. Last, I'll add the apple cider vinegar. lemon juice and zest for a punch of vitamin C, and a touch of nutmeg for flavor. The Swizzle is ready to be enjoyed warm or can be chilled for several hours. Another tangy recipe included in this book is the Smoky Bloody Mary Fire Cider by Jana DeSanti. Despite the name, this beverage is non-alcoholic, but mimics the flavor of a traditional Bloody Mary. First, I'll add my prepared ingredients. We've got garlic. Garlic can provide a variety of health benefits, to include a reduced risk of heart disease, improved mental health, and enhanced immune function. Whole lot of garlic in there. We've got some lemon and lime juice and zest, filled with vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost the white blood cell count and fights infection. We have some horseradish root that is naturally rich in antioxidants. I went ahead and grated that ahead of time. And some jalapenos that are rich in vitamins A, K, B, and C. They also contain carotene, folate, and potassium. And a blend of spices to include turmeric, which contains curcumin, and it is believed to be an antiviral and an immune booster. There's also some black pepper in there, celery salt, smoked paprika, turmeric, and dried oregano. Next, I'll add an optional garnish with a pickle, and the rest of the spices: cracked yellow mustard seed, red pepper flakes, sea salt, and smoked sea salt. All that good stuff in there. I'm gonna finish it off with the pickle juice, tomato juice, and a little Worcestershire. Now fill the rest of your jar with your apple cider vinegar. And top it off with a lid. Plastic works best, but if you don't have plastic, make sure you put something between the metal and the vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and use just a plastic bag with a ring. Give it a good shake. Get all that mixed together. Store your cider in a cool, dark place for a month and shake it daily. After a month has passed, use a cheesecloth to strain your mixture into a clean jar and stir in your honey. Your cider is ready to enjoy. I have included a link to purchase the Fire Cider book in the video description. There's also a list of other resources on the Mother Earth News website that you should check out if you want to learn more about immune boosting techniques. There's also a link for Sweet Remedies, and it's written by Dawn Combs, and it's about healing herbal honeys. You might want to check that out as well. Thank you for watching. I'm Christine. Until next time, be well.